Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra, and today is very exciting because we are launching a brand new series dedicated to mini makeovers. So if you are on a budget and don't want to spend a ton of money making over an entire room, I'm going to show you really easy fixes that have a huge impact on the rest of your room. Are you guys ready? I want to give a huge shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I have a really exciting announcement about something new that is coming to alexandragater.com. It might be that you have the chance to buy a virtual makeover package with me. More on that later and how Squarespace is making that happen. But for now, let's get started. So today we're focusing on making over your shower. Can we just take a minute to appreciate this beautiful skylight that spills so much light? I'm at my friend Eva's apartment and this bathroom is perfectly fine. Basic accessories, we have this gray bath mat, a white shower curtain. There's really great tile on the floor. There's really nothing wrong with this bathroom, but there is such a missed opportunity for decor in this space. And I feel like we can relate. We move into a rental, we take it as it is, there's nothing wrong with it, but there are so many simple changes we are gonna make to this space to just elevate it and make it styled and pretty, which is what we do on this channel. So my first tip is, what's my first tip? First tip is to decant your shampoo, your conditioner, your body soap, whatever it may be that you have in the shower, into Amber Apothecary bottles. These are really inexpensive. I will link the ones we got down below, got them off Amazon. This is like my tried and true trick for basically any bathroom I make over. These are glass, so I know that a lot of you are probably like, I don't want glass in my shower. Completely understandable. They also have ones that mimic glass but are actually plastic. We will link some alternatives like that down below. But for this shower, because there's such a deep ledge, I'm not worried about the glass. It's gonna be safe, it's gonna be fine, and it's not going to fall. Decanting your soap like this is a great way to reduce waste. So what I like to do is bring these bottles anywhere that sells soap unpackaged. Like a lot of stores will say, bring your own jar and we'll put it in. So this is just a great way to start reducing your waste a little bit. Helping the environment and being stylish. We love. And then of course, once you decant all of your liquids into these beautiful jars, you want to label them with a retro label maker. And just like that, simple change, it already looks so much better in here. I've been using retro label makers on these bottles for so long. I have them in my bathroom, in my kitchen, by the sink, and I can confidently say that the labels don't come off. So you don't have to worry about them slipping off in the shower because of the moisture. They seem to hold up really well. So the next change we're gonna make is to the shower curtain rod. Now, this is something that I know is so overlooked and it's such an easy change that makes a huge difference. So you know, these things, shower curtain hooks, the ones that often come with a rental are rusted, old, usually silver. So why not jazz them up? These were $7 from H&M Home. They are linked down below. Now, we saw some a while ago that we really wanted to include. They had tassels on them. They are now sold out. This is what they look like. This is the image. So we just have made the perfect dupe. So you wanna just take some thread from the craft store. This is I don't know, 50 cents each, I think. Make a tassel, and then you just literally want to slide it on your hook. And look at that. It's like the exact same product. I'm gonna take the shower curtain down. I'm gonna take these hooks down, string these all up. I just cannot wait until you guys see the difference. Now I'm just giving the tassels a little zhuzh, a little trim. I'm just gonna make them all even and yeah, just make them look better. Look at that. Perfect little tassel. The shower curtain hooks are up, they look great. The next thing I'm gonna do is deal with this towel rod situation. Now I feel like in a lot of bathrooms, especially small bathrooms, there's always a towel rod, which I guess makes sense, and maybe that is useful for some people, but I always find that they stick out. They're unsightly, and I don't know, you can't really hang more than one towel off of it. So what I would suggest is replacing your towel rod with hooks. I love using decorative hooks on cabinets, on dressers, and even on walls. You might remember that when I made over my neighbor Teresa's bathroom, we used these beautiful shell knobs on her wall. It was just like such a fun touch. So on this wall, I'm gonna hang a decorative flower hook. It's gold, it's really pretty, and this is where the homeowner can keep their towel so that it's right there when they get out of the shower. They also have a couple of hooks on the back of the door, so there's tons of places to put towels, but there's not one by the shower. Have fun with this, guys. Like, use as many decorative hooks as you want. This whole wall is blank, so technically we could do like 5, but yeah, have fun with it. And of course, you wanna add a cute towel to your hook. This one's gonna be on display, so make it pretty. How cute is this little setup? Way better than a towel rack. So you've added your hook, now it is time to start decorating with plants. Plants are such a key element to any bathroom. And I don't know about you, but on Pinterest, I have been seeing these beautiful bathrooms that are just like overflowing with greenery, and I think it looks so good. If you have a window in your bathroom or like a skylight like this, you have lucked out because you can actually use real plants, and you'll see that I'm just gonna fill this corner with tons of greenery. Hanging plants, a hanging planter from the ceiling. If you don't have any windows, I know that that's also common. You could use faux plants. I'm gonna link a store down below. They're called Artiplanto, and they have amazing faux greenery that looks real. So faux greenery or real greenery, can't lose either way. Let's add some plants. It's so cute. Guys, it's so cute. Beauty. Beauty. We're gonna quickly pause this makeover because I have a very exciting announcement. So as you guys know, this video is sponsored by Squarespace, and I use Squarespace to run my website, but the exciting announcement is I've actually added a shop portion to my website, and oh, so exciting. You can now have your room made over by me through my website. So you basically go to alexandragater.com and you purchase the package, which includes a mood board, a call with me. Basically, I will receive pictures from you of your space. I will give you product suggestions, do a little room layout, and then chat with you for 30 minutes once you receive your package. We talk it through. You can ask me any questions you have. So this is your chance basically to have a room made over by me if you live outside of Toronto, because as you guys know, we don't travel often to do makeovers. Now, I will say that spots are limited, so we only have 5 spots for September, but there is a wait list. So if this becomes something that people really want more of, we are going to add more spots in the coming months, but this is just like a test. So thank you to Squarespace for not only making my website beautiful, but also making it so easy for me to launch this storefront on my website. What I love about Squarespace is that you can do so many things in one spot. You can make newsletters, you can make campaigns, you can email all of your subscribers if a product goes on sale, and it was so easy to use. I didn't have to, do any like coding or anything. I dragged and dropped things in. There was templates there that I could work with. It was just very easy and very manageable to do. If you guys are looking to start your own blog, your own website, your own storefront, head to squarespace.com/Alexandra Gater to start your free trial and use the code Alexandra Gater to get 10% off your first website or domain. Okay, let's continue with this makeover. So we've almost reached the end of this mini makeover, and I've saved one of the most impactful pieces because, you guys, this might sound obvious, it's a shower curtain, but honestly, I feel like people overlook shower curtains, and there are so many beautiful ones on the market. This one was $56 from Society6. So yes, you're spending a little bit more money, but you end up with this like beautiful shower curtain that doubles as an art piece. and you will see how much this is going to change this space. It's bringing in color, it's bringing in pattern, it's bringing in texture without having to make over, you know, your whole bathroom. Society 6 has so many options. This isn't sponsored, but here at Team AG, we love Society 6 and we love their shower curtains.
Team AG. What?
This one has birds on it. Like it's just beautiful. So I'm gonna hang this up now with those cute tassel hooks. Just bask in what a difference a shower curtain is gonna bring to the space. Okay, it's up. It's so beautiful. I love it. And those cute little tassels that we DIY'd, so fun. So fun. The next thing you want to add to your bathroom that's gonna make a huge difference is a bath mat, but not just any bath mat. There are so many bath mats on the market that look like they should be rugs, and that's the kind of bath mat you wanna go for in your washroom. So this is from Simon's. This was $20, which is not that much at all. On the back, it's sticky, so it'll grip to your floor. I will leave a couple other suggestions down below, but if you're gonna go for a more basic shower curtain, I would go all out with the bath mat, do something colorful. But because we went with such a colorful shower curtain, we've gone for a really textured, beautiful bath mat that looks like a little area rug. Also, it feels nice on your feet. Okay, it's time for those finishing touches. Quick little tip, buy a cute bar of soap. So easy, and it just looks way better than that plain white drugstore stuff. So, you guys, let's take a trip down memory lane. This is what the bathroom looked like before. Nothing wrong with it, but could be way cuter. And here's what it looks like now. Bam, 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 music. I am so thrilled with how this turned out. Really proof that tiny changes like this can make such a huge difference. This was such a budget-friendly makeover. We didn't have to paint or buy new furniture. It was all just little accessories that make such a massive impact. I'm really excited for this series. Let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see us make over next for these mini makeovers. We are doing a front door, that's coming up, but we wanna know in the comments down below what's like a mini space in your home that you just have no idea what to do with. Let us know. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Remember to use my link and my code, which are all in the description box, to start your blog or your website. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.